Hi friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make soya chunk recipe. First we will make soya chunk with vegetables, a sabzi, and then we are going to make a rice out of this sabzi. So first I had boiled the soya chunks and sweet corn. After boiling it, when it became soft, I removed the water and then I put little cornstarch in it so that it got coated with cornstarch, and then I am frying it. Friends, I have taken 1 cup of soya chunks and half cup of sweet corns. So let's start with the recipe. Friends, here I have boiled soya chunks and sweet corns for 10 minutes, and then I removed the water. I added some cornstarch in it, and then I am now frying it. We will fry it till it becomes little golden brown. The corn puffs up, so be careful while frying it. Friends, I am shallow frying it. Friends, you can see the color has changed. When it turns little brown, that time we have to remove it. Now we will remove it. Friends, here I have taken one bowl. In that I have added 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil. You can add any oil. Now I will be adding 2 teaspoons of mustard seed oil. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of honey. Now I will add 3 teaspoons of soya sauce. Two teaspoons of ketchup. I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Friends, now we will add 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Here I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder. Friends, I have mixed everything nicely. Now I have placed the pan. Friends, we will add oil. Now we will add onion. Friends, we have to fry the onion for a minute. You have to reduce the flame. Then now I will add all the vegetables. Friends, I have added cabbage, red bell pepper, green capsicum. I have taken half capsicum. I have cut into pieces. All the vegetables I have roughly chopped, and these are the red bell pepper. We will add tomato. Friends, now I will mix this paste. This is a mixture of oil, garam masala, soya sauce, tomato ketchup, garlic powder. Now we will increase the flame and we will stir fry the vegetables. We will not cook too much, just for 2 minutes. Now we will add the fried corn and soya bean. We have fried the soya chunks and the sweet corn. Now we will add this. Now I will add salt. Add salt and chili powder and garam masala according to your taste. Add the salt according to your taste. Now mix it well. Now the flame should be medium. Friends, the flame should be medium. Friends, now we will add white vinegar. 1 cap of white vinegar, that is nearly 1 teaspoon, and we will stir fry it for 3 minutes, and then our sabzi is ready to serve. Friends, now our soya chunk sabzi is ready. With the same sabzi we are going to prepare a rice. Friends, now we will prepare a rice from this sabzi. Friends, I have kept the pan. The gas is on. Now I will add little oil. Friends, we will add oil. Friends, as the oil gets hot, we will add rice. I have taken 3 cups of cooked rice. Friends, with the same soya bean sabzi, we will make a rice. I have taken this much of rice, 3 cups of rice. I will add little white vinegar. I will add this garam masala, homemade garam masala which I have put in the oil. It is nearly 1 teaspoon. Now we will mix our sabzi and we will mix the sabzi in the rice. Now we will mix the sabzi in the rice and our soya chunk rice will be ready. Friends, I have mixed the soya chunks in the rice. I will add little salt. Little soya sauce. Then we will mix it well. So while boiling the rice, I had added little salt. So here while adding the salt, be careful. Friends, after adding the vegetables and soya chunks, we will cook it for 2 minutes. We will mix it properly. Friends, now our rice is ready. We will serve it. Friends, our soya chunks and mixed vegetable rice is ready. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. You can add the spices and the sauce according to your taste. Thank you.